We can walk, we can bike, we know our neighbors, we get inspired by each other. RiNo is where we can create a community that's vibrant and world-class.
We are attracting people that are looking for inspiration.
You have all these individuals creating something magical, it rubs off on you, so you're gonna create something magical as well.
The River North Art District is directly north of the urban core of Denver, right at the intersection of I-70, I-25, the commuter rail. This part of Denver really evolved as the industrial center. This is a place where things are made. It always has been. Things are still created here. Art, beer, music, food. We're being true to our history while embracing the future.
I'm an artist, I'm a painter, and I moved to the district in the year 2000. There are a few artists that are already in the neighborhood. Spaces were cheap, and it was a perfect sort of ground for artists to kind of set up shop.
When we moved here, it really was kind of a no-go area still. Well, now, 5 years later, it's pretty much the hottest real estate in Denver.
Here's what's a little different about RiNo. You have artists and you have the business community that have figured out a symbiotic relationship and vision for the neighborhood.
I frequently hear from people looking to locate here that there is this palpable spirit and soul to this place. We are attracting people and companies that want to start their business or bring their business to a place that breaks out of the mold and inspires them, whether they're in the office or walking down the street.
The visible creative energy that you see around here kind of gives people that creative inspiration, and then that sparks them to go out and to create whatever they want to.
Businesses have to develop an inclusive, a fun, a healthy culture. I've talked to many CEOs and they all tell me, I gotta find a place to be in RiNo because all my employees want to be there.
We looked all over RiNo. I've probably been in 15 or 20 buildings, as well as prospective sites. And what really came down to picking the hub was a couple factors. We just love the location and the mixture of indoor-outdoor space. It is directly across the street from light rail. That was a big plus for us. RiNo is young, energetic, creative, fun. It's going to be an advantage for us in terms of attracting the best talent. I think it's going to be the place that inspires us when we walk around the neighborhood to come back and do really great work and to have a lot of fun while we do it.
Because RiNo has all these vibrant communities and, just unique personalities and individuals, you're definitely going to find something that makes you think differently.
My favorite part of RiNo is the people. People come into this neighborhood, whether it's a small business or a big developer, come to us and say, how can we give back? How can we participate? How do we make sure that what we're doing here fits in the neighborhood for the long term? What's happening here and the spirit and the soul and the way people are embracing that is extraordinary.